Out this 2016 Jeep Cherokee. 2016 Jeep Cherokee Trailhawk, only $90K. This four-door SUV has a six-cylinder, 3.2-liter V6 engine with four-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Jeep has less than 91,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 19 miles per gallon in the city and 26 miles per gallon on the highway. 2016 Jeep Cherokee Trailhawk 4WD SUV. 3.2 LV6 automatic with only $90K. Black leather interior with heated seats, heated steering wheel, and panoramic sunroof. 1-inch factory suspension lift. Tow package, tow hooks. Clean auto check showing no accidents. $16,995. 1645 North Montana Avenue, Helena, Montana. 406-442-2931. JD Autosols.net. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, wireless data link, roof rails, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, digital odometer, external temperature display, tow hooks, airbags, anti-lock brakes, power brakes, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.